Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to address you at the opening of the Intergovernmental Expert Group meeting on non-medical synthetic opioid. 2018 marked the 50th anniversary of the International Narcotic Control Board, which, under the Three Drug Control Treaty, ensured that adequate supply of narcotic drugs, psychotropic substances, and precursors are available for legitimate medical, scientific, and industrial use, and that the diversion of drugs and their precursor into illicit channel does not occur. Much has changed in 50 years of drug control, and this expert group meeting is convened in response to member state acknowledgement of the international challenge posed by the illicit manufacture of, trafficking in, and non-medical use of synthetic opioid, and in particular fentanyl analog and related substances. Online vendors exploit legitimate e-commerce sites or use darknet and social media platforms to offer fentanyl. Shipments are trafficked among the billions of letter and express parcels shipped around the world through international express mail and courier services. Some of these fentanyl are deadly in doses 2 mg or less. INCB, with the government's international agency and the private sector, is taking practical action to counter this substance. INCB rapidly worked to support the CND scheduling of key fentanyl precursors in 2017. In 2018, it entered into a cooperation agreement for intelligence sharing and training with the Universal Postal Union, and INCB disseminated a target list of 93 abused fentanyl with no known legitimate use, requesting government and industry to refrain from their manufacture and distribution. INCB has convened a series of expert working groups involving the private sector, one partnering with major Asia-based e-commerce company who voluntarily agreed to begin or further enhance efforts to identify and remove vendors selling fentanyl. Another working with Reading Express Courier, the International Express Mail Service, and the UPU, which agreed to share information to disrupt shipping of dangerous substances. Our global project has been successful in supporting national authority and relevant regional and international agencies in their effort to prevent dangerous substances from reaching the consumer market through several operational initiatives, namely Project PRISM for precursor, chemical, and related equipment, Project ION for trafficking of new psychoactive substance, and the Opioid Project focused on trafficking of non-medical synthetic opioid and fentanyl-related substances. INCB Global Opioid Project coordinates intelligence sharing across agencies and governments. Since January this year, more than 300 police, custom, postal, and regulatory investigators from 85 governments and international agencies have registered to be opioid project focal point. In 2018, details from over 400 trafficking incidents involving the import, export, seizure, or illicit manufacture of fentanyl, synthetic opioid, and other new psychoactive substance has been communicated via the secure ionic communication platform, providing investigators more than 10,000 pieces of real-time intelligence. INCB look forward to further strengthening cooperation with government by expanding our work with private sector partners in 2019. Our project will continue to grow the global focal point network by offering practical communication tools, sharing intelligence, and providing training opportunities that serve to identify and interdict the sale and distribution of falsified or fraudulent substances purporting to be opioid medicine, fentanyl analog, and related substances. Excellencies, the global drug landscape is far more complex than 50 years ago. Access to narcotic drugs, psychotropic substances, and precursors for legitimate medical, scientific, and industrial use must be ensured. However, the trafficking in dangerous substances must be countered by practical, operational approach that bring together government, international organizations, and private sector partners to rapidly interdict the manufacture, sale, and distribution. INCB Global Project PRISM, ION, and opioid represent innovative efforts to help to protect our citizens, our frontline personnel, and the community they serve from dangerous possessed by non-medical use of synthetic opioid and exposure to extraordinarily dangerous substances. Excellency, thank you for your time and active participation. We shall move forward together for the better world. Thank you.